Everyone, this is Saurabh once again from Circuit Digest, and here is an interesting project of Internet of Things. So this is a MPPT solar tracker with enabled IoT, and as we can see, here is the MPPT board that we have made previously in Circuit Digest. Here is the additional circuitry that is required for the Internet of Things. This is the ESP32 that is getting connected with the internet, at the same time my laptop also. And here is the NTC thermistor that is useful to check the temperature of the solar panel. This is the DC-DC converter that is converting the voltage from the battery and getting to the working circuitry of the ESP32, as we could not trust entirely on the solar. And here is a shunt resistor, and the MPPT tracking position is sending the data of the voltage of this solar panel. So this is a quite bright sunny day, and I have waited a long for getting this video and waited for this day. And let's see how it is working. Just a minute. Well, as we can see, here is lots of variations in the solar voltage, and as we can see, here is the last data that I have received so far. This is 14.75 volt. It's increased 14.836, and the current is constantly get changed. And last data I am getting is 550 milliampere. So 550 milliampere is the solar current. The accumulated wattage is something like 8.2 watt, and the solar temperature is 34 degree. So this is not actual solar temperature, because this is not how the solar temperature is measured. See the documentation for full information how to measure solar temperature properly, because in my design, in my circuit, the NTC is not actually properly placed with the solar panel. So it is just an ambient temperature, and here is the full circuitry. So this is working quite well, and everything can be seen on the website. So have a nice day. Bye bye.